In this video, I will show you the unboxing and the first time setup of the AirTag second generation. And also in this video, I will show you what upgrades it got and what are the key differences compared to the previous generation. So let's get started. As you can see, we got the AirTag second generation over here. Now let's do a quick unboxing and let's check the box content. Now as you can see, it comes with the user manual. I'll leave it over here. And as you can see, you got the AirTag itself. As you can see, the package is very similar to the previous AirTag. And this is the AirTag itself. Now as you pull this tab, the AirTags will be activated. But before I do that, I will show you the key differences of this AirTag compared to the previous AirTag. Now the first thing you will notice on the AirTag second generation is that the text on this AirTag are all in caps. And also the text has been changed. In the previous AirTag, the text were not all in caps and it said, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, Bluetooth LE and ultra-wideband. But now all the text on this AirTag are in caps and it says Find My, Bluetooth LE, ultra-wideband, IP67 and Apple Inc. And also if you're buying this AirTag box pack, you can see that at the back of the box it says AirTag second generation. Now there is nothing else changed in the design of the AirTag. The dimensions are all the same as the previous AirTag, as you can use all the accessories of your previous AirTag with the second gen AirTag. Only the weight has been increased a little bit. It went from 11 grams to 11.8 grams. It is not noticeable at all, but it is worth mentioning. And also the second gen AirTag is water and dust resistant with a rating of IP67. Now if we talk about what upgrades it got, the first upgrade is that it got a second gen ultra wideband chip which improves precision finding by 50%. The second upgrade is that it got a new Bluetooth chip which expands the range of the Bluetooth signal. The third upgrade are in the speakers. It got a much louder speaker and Apple claims that it is 50% louder. And with these AirTags, you got a feature called Share Item Location, with which you can share the location of your AirTags with a trusted party, like an airline, so you could find your items or your luggage easily. And also with these AirTags, you can use precision finding with your Apple Watch. But keep in mind that this feature only works in Apple Watch Series 9 or later, or in Apple Watch Ultra 2 or later. If you have an older Apple Watch, you can still find the AirTags by playing the sound or through the map. Now to use these AirTags, you need at least iOS 26 on your iPhone or iPad OS 26 on your iPad. Now let's pair our AirTag with our iPhone. Now let's activate this AirTag, so I will pull on this tab. And as you pull the tab out, you will hear this sound. As you can see, our iPhone has detected the AirTag. Now just tap on connect. Now just select the name for the AirTag. You can select any option from the available over here, or you can give a custom name to this AirTag. For example, I will select custom name, then tap on continue, and from here you can enter a custom name. Just like that. You just tap on continue. Now you can choose an emoji for your AirTag. Just like that. And after that, just tap on continue. As you can see, this AirTag is linked to your Apple account. Just tap on agree. As you can see, our iPhone has paired with our AirTag. Now just select done. Now to use this AirTag, just open the Find My app on your iPhone or on your iPad. Then go to the item section. And as you can see, this is the name of our AirTag. If I tap on the name of the AirTag, you can find the options on how you want to locate your AirTag. If you tap on play sound, it will start playing a sound out of the speakers of the AirTag. And as you can hear, the sound is much louder than the previous AirTag. Now also you have the option for find nearby. Now if I move this AirTag away, it will start showing how much far is the AirTag from my iPhone. And if you go closer to the AirTag, it will show you that it is right here. And you can play a sound out of the AirTag to find it. Or you can tap on the X icon after you find it. And also you can share this AirTag with a second person. For example, if you have a friend or family member, you can share the location of the AirTag with their iPhone. Just tap on add person and you can add a person to share this AirTag. Now, if you have lost this AirTag and if you want someone to contact you as they find your AirTag, just tap on Show Contact Info and you can add your contact information. And as the other person finds this AirTag, they will be able to contact you through the contact information which you have paired with your AirTag. And also, as you can see, this is the feature which is called Share Item Location. And with this feature, you can share the location of your AirTag with a third party like an airline so that they can help you to find your luggage or your item. Now, after that, you have the option for notifications. And when this feature is enabled, you will be notified when you leave your AirTag behind. And also, if you want to customize the emoji of your AirTag, you can do it from here. If you want to remove your AirTag, you can tap on remove and you can unpair it with your iPhone. And also the second gen AirTag uses the same coin cell battery as the first generation. Now if we talk about the price of the new AirTag, they are priced the same as before. I got a single AirTag over here which costs around $29, but if you get a pack of 4, it will cost you around $99. And this is it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.